Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unboxing for you. So before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, whether you've been with me from the beginning or you just subscribed yesterday. I appreciate all of you. So, what's in this box? Well, this was from Amazon. And this came in an Amazon box, but I took it out of the Amazon box, and this is what we have. Alright, I already opened it on the end, so it would be easier to just get out. So, this comes to me from a company on Amazon, and I hope I am pronouncing this right, but it is Sanfurney, S-A-N-F-U-M-E-Y. Alright, so they were so kind to send me this to show to all of y'all for review. And what this is a, let me move the box, is a 32 slot diamond painting tray tower for large diamond painting trays. Alright, so I am going to, sorry about all the noise, but I'm going to attempt to put this thing together. I watched the video and it didn't seem like it was that hard to put together at all. So hopefully it won't take that long either. It might take longer for me to get it out of the bubble wrap than it would to put it together. But it is packed very nicely. Alright, so there's the instructions. And then we have all the pieces. I hope that's okay. Alright, so let me move the bubble wrap. Yeah, I'm really excited about this because I don't use a lot of trays. I usually use just one tray at a time, but I have nowhere to put my my trays. So right now, I just have them sitting in like a little tote. All right, wait a minute. Nope. All right, I'm just getting the parts together. So this is how this comes, and this is, it feels like plastic, but I think it's like that cardboardy plastic stuff. Let me look at my notes. All right, it is a 32 slot diamond painting tower for large diamond painting trays. It also has a place to where you can store your drill pins or accessories on the top. It has a low center of gravity, so that way it'll be harder to tip over. And the slots are designed to slightly tilt so the trays don't fall out. All right, so let's look. Like I said, I did watch the video, but it's always good to look at the instructions. All right, so let's just put this baby together. All right, so I'm going to set that over out of the way. So it's showing that we are going to start with this piece. All right. And then it shows that we will put, wait a minute, this piece in the middle. Okay, so I don't know how well I'm going to do doing this. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this goes in the middle, and these just go right into the holes. say that. Yep. It goes just right in there. And I hope I did not put that in right. It goes that way. All right. And then we got these two short ones. I hope y'all can see what I am doing. Ooh. All right, get in there. Y'all, this is very easy. It's just I'm at an odd angle because I'm trying to do this standing up. And so y'all can see how quickly it goes together. All right, so we have that assembled. So now we're going to put the back on. And let's see. It is going to go, so these go in here. Whoop. Pops right in there. And then these, that is the one I was worried about. Let me see. I had dog hair on it. Alright. Y'all, I promise this is very easy. Like I said, I'm just at an awkward angle. Alright. So, there's that. And then the next thing that we are going to put on here, let's see. All right, it says to put one of these on. So this is going to go on right like that. All right. And then we're going to put the sides on. Right? Okay, hold on a minute. All right, yep. And yep. Okay. So these go right here. No, wait a minute. Because it'd help if I did turn this the correct way. Alright. Alright. Very easy, y'all. Very easy. I just had to lift it up to get it in there. Okay. So there's that. And then these just go right down in there. Very easy. Okay, so I got this because, like I said, I have nowhere to put. Whoop, wait a minute. Oh, I see what I know. Wait a minute. Let me set that one to the side because I think I did something wrong. These just slide on here real easy, y'all. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. So this one is going to go right up here. This is the one I should have done first. But that's okay. I can just do this. Okay. Let me go put those back in there. This is why you should read the directions. Okay, there's that side. And I just gotta line everything back up. Alright. So, there it is. This is what it looks like. And this is what it was talking about. This part up here is what they were talking about as far as being, you know, where you can put your pins. And it is tilted. They are tilted in there slightly, if you can see. But you can put your pins up there. You can put your tweezers up there. Funnel, washi, you know, whatever you want to put up there. But my thing was, like I said, I wanted to be able to put trays in here. So we are going to try this out. So these are Muni made trays. They're not going to fit in there, but they will fit down there. They are going to poke out just a little bit. The small ones will fit. Let's see. There's one of those. Here's a tray. Let's see. Here's a tray. I have got trays everywhere, y'all. Let's see. Here's a tray. Trays. Here's a tray. I can already see that one's probably not going to fit in there. Okay, so let's see what trays will fit in here, though. All right, these are just trays that I have purchased off of Etsy. And if you follow me, you'll know which trays they are. Okay, so this one isn't going to fit down there, but it will fit up there. Let's see. Those will fit in there. This one's going to be too big, so I can put that one up there. Here's one of these. It'll fit. Let's see. Fits. Of course, like I said, those will fit down there. Those will fit. Fits. And of course, you know, if those fit, then the smaller trays will fit. And I do have one somewhere. Okay, there's Diamond Art Club. That's a small one. Here is one of NYX's trays. It'll fit. Here's another Muni made. It'll fit. Here's another one of NYX. Let's see. These will fit. Yep. Those fit. Well, this one would need to go down there. Yeah. And let's see. Whoops. And one of those fit. So we know that the trays are going to fit, but the dimensions are going to be, each slot is, okay, they are 3.7 inches wide. They are 4.6 inches in diameter, and they are 0.7 inches in height, okay? So the whole tower is only 4.9 inches wide and 9.2 inches tall and 15.5 inches long. So I am going to take y'all off of here, and I'm going to show y'all what this looks like. But like I said, they're all tilted. So if you can see, but yeah, I like it because like I said, I have got all of my trays are in one of these little plastic container things sitting over here, and it's not working for me. So, like I said, they were nice enough to send this to me to show to y'all, and I really like it, and I can see my trays. So, if I wanted to use, you know, the pink leaf tray, I can see it, and I can just grab it and use it. But this tray tower is $36.86 on Amazon, and like I said, it is Sanfumey store. All right, and I will put the link to this in my description box, and I think it's a great deal, and I think it's a great tower. I really like it. It's not very big, so it's not going to be like bulky, cumbersome, in the way kind of thing. So, yeah, I can set this right there and it be out of the way, but yet in reach. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think about this tower? I like it. And like I said, you know, some of the trays might stick out a little bit because they're just a little long. But the short trays, they work great in here. Like I said, the bigger tray of Muni Made is, you know, it'll fit down here. And the short ones will fit in there. So, I think what it is, it's just that these of Muni Mades is just a little too tall. So, well, heck, you can put 2 in that one. Alright, so y'all, this is, I wanted to show y'all this because I am very impressed with it. I really like it. And like I said, it's a good way to store your diamond painting trays, your large trays, and your small trays fit in there. They're easy to pull out. They're easy to get in. And you can see them, and then that way you don't have to go digging for trays. You don't, you know, have trays that you have forgotten you have, and, you know, because you've got them all stuck over here in a drawer somewhere. Plus, if you're one of the ones that uses multiple trays when you diamond paint, and you put multiple colors in your trays, then this is good for you too. Alright, so, alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, very easy to put together, very sturdy, and it's not going to move. It's not going to tip over. So, like I said, I will leave the link to this in my description box, and I hope you all will go check it out and possibly get yourself one. So, alright y'all, until my next video, I hope you're all doing well, and I will see y'all later. Bye y'all.